No baking, no eggs, no flour, just 2 main ingredients. And you get a silky, vegan, gluten-free dessert that anyone will enjoy. I'm using 85% dark couverture chocolate. Remember, the higher the cocoa percentage, the fewer additives, and the better the cocoa benefits. Melt the chocolate gently. The most controlled way is over a bain-marie, but you can also speed it up in the microwave for 2 minutes at medium power. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't overheat. Next, add the ripe banana to the melted chocolate and blend until completely smooth. Then add 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg. They give a warm, aromatic lift that's optional but amazing. And 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I love the saltiness in chocolate, but if you don't, just skip it. Blend everything into a velvety mousse. The result is creamy, naturally sweet, plant-based, and gluten-free. You can serve the mousse in pretty individual ramekins. I recommend portioning about 2 ounces to keep the calories moderate. I'll keep it in one larger bowl since I plan to eat it gradually myself, and it's easier to store. Chill in the fridge. It will hold its shape but remain soft and luscious. Friends, this dessert is perfect for when you have a sweet craving. You can make it lower in calories and higher in protein, but that version takes longer. I'll make that lighter version soon too, so subscribe if you're interested. It's a treat that satisfies just as much or more than a sugar-heavy chocolate bar that would be 2 to 3 times higher in calories than our dessert. If you've watched this far, it means you're looking for healthy recipes that are easy to make, nutritious, and calorie conscious. I have breakfast and lunch recipe collections that'll simplify your daily cooking. Calories are counted, prep time is under 15 minutes. All info is in the description. Thanks for making something sweet with me, Karina.